With over 125 years' experience of making home appliances, Blomberg is a name you can trust. They pride themselves on redefining the efficiency levels of home appliances, and the KGM9550P is a prime example of this, delivering an A+ energy rating. This fridge freezer really is a fantastic family size model. In the upper section there's a huge 157 litre capacity, given over exclusively to all your chilled produce. This section is separated by 3 adjustable glass shelves, and at the base of the fridge there's a good sized transparent salad crisper, so you can always see what you have in stock whilst keeping all your fruit, vegetables and salad fresher for longer. In the door you have all the storage you'd expect for milk, butter, cheese, eggs or condiments. The specialist built-in antibacterial system helps you easily maintain really sanitary storage for your fresh produce. In the bottom section, there's a generous 87 litre capacity freezer section. This is divided by 4 individual drawers, making storing and separating your frozen meat from your frozen vegetables a cinch. Plus, you can keep organised with separate spots for items like ice cream, ready meals and desserts. With a 3-year guarantee, you have the peace of mind that this fridge freezer has really been built with longevity in mind. So let's remind you of those key features again.